Hello viewers, hello everyone. So this is your Matthew Bay, and ang topic natin for this subject, construction materials and testing. So we are now in lecture 2, common equipment and apparatus in material testing. So previously, yung lecture natin was introduction to construction materials and testing. So right now, you will be oriented or you will be given a glance kung ano yung common materials na ginagamit natin. So kung may alam kayo dito, paki-comment na lang, and kung paano gamitin, comment nyo lang below. And kung may hindi tayo na include, you can also comment below kung ano yung mga hindi na may include natin na common apparatus and equipment for the sake of other viewers, so that they will be able to learn more about this subject. So sa channel natin na to, sharing is caring. So hope everyone will share their learnings. So mas madami nag-share, mas madaming matututo. Okay, so let's start with the common equipment and apparatus in material testing. So iba-ibang materials, iba-ibang apparatus, iba-ibang tinetest. Okay, so we have the SIEVE. Okay, so ito yung tsura ng SIEVE. Okay, so ano ba yung SIEVE? Para saan ginagamit yung SIEVE? Okay, so SIEVE is an instrument with a mesh or perforated bottom used to separate coarse from fine materials of a loose matter. So kung tatagalogin natin, ginagamit siya sa pagsasala. So sinasala niya yung mga aggregates, hiniwala niya yung mga malaki sa maliit na particles. So bakit? So saan siya ginagamit? So ginagamit yan sa sieve analysis. Okay, we have the sieve shaker. So ang purpose ng sieve shaker, so nakikita niyo sa picture. So sieve shakers are used for separation and size determination of particles. A typical sieve shaker separates particles by passing them through a series of chambers with mesh filters and agitating sample in order to obtain complete separation. So instead na manual mo siya i-shake para mapaghiwalay, you use the sieve shaker. We have the CBR test machine. Okay, so this is the CBR test machine or the CBR tester. Okay, so yan. So CBR test machines are used to measure California bearing ratio. So what is California bearing ratio? So the California bearing ratio test is a measure of the strength of subgrade soil and highway subbase and subgrade via a penetration test. Okay, kapag sinabi natin subgrade, yun yung undisturbed soil, yan yung lupa, yun yung existing na lupa na tatayuan or papatungan ng road pavement. Okay, so we have ang layers niyan, we have subgrade, we have subbase course, then base course. Pero sa ngayon, subgrade, subbase course, tapos pavement. So tinitest yung California bearing ratio. So that is the test of the strength of the existing subgrade of a road. We also have the Los Angeles abrasion machine. So ito. So from the name itself, so this is used in abrasion test. So the Los Angeles abrasion machine tests for resistance to abrasion in crush, rock, slag, and then crushed gravel. Okay, we have also the VICAT apparatus. Yan, so this is the VICAT apparatus. Okay, so VICAT apparatus is a device for determining the normal consistency and time setting of Portland cement that consists of a rod weighing 300 grams, having a needle in each end and supported in a frame with a graduated scale to measure the distance to which the needle penetrates the cement. Okay, so yung VICAT apparatus, ginagamit natin na siya sa cement paste. So, para malaman yung normal consistency ng cement. Then, we also have the concrete mixer. Yan. So, common yun na itong makikita. So, ang purpose nito is para paghaluin yung concrete. So, yung nasa picture is a 1-bagger concrete mixer. So, ibig sabihin, ang pwedeng ihalo dyan is 1 bag of cement. Tapos, kung ilan yung ratio niyan ng sand, ng gravel, and water. So, yun yung capacity niya. So, usually, ginagamit natin ito sa mga buildings or sa mga maliliit na projects. Okay, so a concrete mixer is a device that homogeneously combines cement, aggregates such as sand or gravel, and water to form concrete. Then we have the SLUMP testing sets. Okay, so ito yung SLUMP testing sets. So, a set of instruments used in SLUMP tests. The concrete SLUMP value determined in this test is used to find the water-cement ratio in mixes. By measuring the difference between the mold height and the height of the specimen, the researchers are able to evaluate concrete consistency. Okay, ano ba yung SLUMP test? So, yung SLUMP test, ang ginagawa niyan, so yung fresh concrete o yung concrete na basa pa, yung hindi pa tumitigas, so nilalagay yan dyan sa concrete cone. So after you place it on concrete cone, so there are so meron dyang tinatap mo siya, tapos ginagamit mo yung tamping rod, so after that, after mo siya itap, okay, so may meron siyang number of tap and yung pagrad. So tinutusok-tusok, meron siyang certain number kung ilang beses, tapos kung ilang layers siya. After nyan, tatanggalin mo yung cone. So ang tendency nung concrete na nilagay mo dyan is parang siya, parang bumababa siya, parang mag-erode. Yan. So after that, i-measure mo kung ilan yung height nung natira at lang yung height yung nag-erode. So, yung purpose yan is that para malaman kung yung tubig mo is kulang pa or sobra na. So, kapag mas malaki yung na-erode, ibig sabihin marami kang tubig. Kapag alas hindi gumalaw, ibig sabihin kulang yung tubig mo. So, merong standard SLUMP depending on a structure na binubuhusan or ginagawa. So we have the standard SLUMP cone-shaped mold that can be made of steel or plastic and should be measured 8 inches diameter at base, then 4 inches diameter at top, and 12 inches high. Then we also have the SLUMP base plate. The SLUMP cone will sit on the base during the test, and it should include bolt-on clamps to hold the cone steady during testing. A base plate with a handle will make it easier to remove and can be used as guide to measure the SLUMP. We have the concrete molds. So we have the cylindrical and the rectangular. So rectangular, ang tawag dyan is beam mold. Tapos ito naman yung cylinder mold natin. So yung rectangular mold, yung beam mold is used for flexural strength test of concrete. Tapos ito naman yung cylinder sa compression. So sinasalang yung sample concrete sa UTM, tapos kinakandak yung destructive testing hanggang sa mag-crack or mag-fail yung sample, tas makikita na yung ano niya, yung strength niya, ma-determine. Then we have the Universal Testing Machine or UTM. So ito yung UTM. So yung UTM meron yung different attachments. So nagamit siya for test sa tension, sa compression. So madami pwedeng i-test yun. Tapos connected siya sa parang computer with the software na mag-generate ng strength based on the actual test. So a universal testing machine or UTM, also known as universal tester, materials testing machine or material test frame, is used to test tensile strength and compressive strength of materials. So hindi lang concrete ang pwedeng i-test dyan, pwede dyan i-test ang wood, ang CHB or the concrete hollow blocks, and yung steel pwede din i-test dito. We have the rebound hammer. So itong rebound hammer naman, okay, so mukha lang siyang lagyan ng tubig. So ito yung rebound hammer, ginagamit ito for non-destructive testing. So kung yung kanina UTM ginagamit siya sa destructive testing, ito hindi mo kailangang gibain yung structure. Usually ginagamit siya for assessment of existing structure, for retrofitting, kung kailangan na ba siyang i-retrofit, kung mahina na yung strength niya compared sa design strength niya before. Okay, so the rebound hammer is a non-destructive testing apparatus whereby the rebound of the spring-driven mass is measured after its impact with the concrete surface. The output of the rebound hammer is referred to as rebound number and are correlated with the surface hardness of concrete. So we are done with the second topic. So kung may manakaligtaan na apparatus and equipment, you can just comment it sa comment section natin. Tapos na din kung ano yung gamit nan para masaya. Okay, sa topic on the next video, so construction materials and testing lecture 3. So we will discuss the general properties of materials. So abangan nyo yung lecture 3 natin. So that would be all for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the Matibay channel. So this is your Matibay. Maraming salamat.